Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about summer favorites, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Summer is here and I am so happy. I love summer and I love staying by the beach, so I can't wait to go on vacation. And as well, I am that type of person that prefers summer over winter, so this is my moment. I am very happy, even though I am still melting, so it is what it is. I don't have any self-tanner on right now and I am very pale, but I am waiting for that vacation and I hope I will get a bit of a tan. But let's start with these favorites. I have a bit of everything. And let's start with the base. Usually in the summer I apply just less foundation, less coverage and everything. So for that I want to mention something glowy as primer or as mixing stuff for foundation. So if I wear foundation, I will combine it for sure with something glowy, and I have 3 products to mention in here. But you can of course use the E.L.F one. These are a bit pricier products. This is what I have in my collection right now. I want to try the E.L.F one as well. It is a dupe or an alternative to this one. And this is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Shellie Tilbury, and this is in my project pen. I really like this product. Then I have the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer. This is nice for mixing as well. And then I have this one. This is the Glow Screen from Supergoop. And actually that is the only way I could use this one, by mixing it with foundation. Otherwise it's peeling like crazy. I don't like this product for other steps. So I'm recommending these two over this one. But whatever you have in your collection that is a bit glowy, just mix it in with your foundation. I just prefer that look rather than just putting these ones on your skin and then foundation on top. I just like the mixing process a lot more, and usually I put SPF first and then do this combination and don't apply any other primer, and I really like that way, and usually it is not peeling. That is usually my foundation mixing combo, and for today, for example, I have the Shellie Tilbury one, mixed it up with the L'Oreal foundation, and it looks pretty nice and glowy, and I really like the combo. And if I want something even easier, I will apply just concealer as foundation. I could mix this one up with something glowy if I want, or just apply this one on top of sunscreen and conceal a bit under the eyes, and if I have any pimples as well. This is the best one that I can recommend as a foundation. This is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum, and mine is done. I did finish it up in my project pen. This is the best one in my opinion for applying as foundation because it is very spreadable, but of course you can use any concealer that is not very high coverage or not very thick. So something like the Catrice one or the Huda Beauty one that I really like, those could work as well, but maybe not something very thick. I want to mention 2 other products for base, and these kind of products are usually overlooked because who cares about powder and setting spray? But I care because I have an oilier T-zone and I want to set my face, so these 2 are great. This is my favorite powder. It is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, and this will keep me pretty matte for the whole day and it will set everything into place. I usually bake a bit under the eyes and put this one on the T-zone, and then I have other powder that is usually pressed powder and I do blend the cheeks with that. But this one is very good, and in my opinion is the best one for setting your T-zone. And then I want to mention this one. This is the MAC Fix Plus Stay Over, and I really like this one even more than the normal MAC Fix Plus because the sprayer of this one is absolutely perfect. It's a lot finer than the normal Fix Plus sprayer. Those are usually very aggressive, but it's not that fine that you are not feeling it on your face. It's really nice, and this is really helping with the wear of the makeup, so I want to mention these two as well, even though they are not the most exciting products. Let's move into cheeks, and if you are wondering what beautiful blush I have on, it's actually this one. I put this one on top of a cream blush, and usually that is my routine because that way my blush will wear longer. This is absolutely stunning, and it is from the drugstore. This is the Pure Nude blush, baked blush from Essence. I have in here the shade Rosy Rosewood. This is a beautiful blush. It is a satin blush, so it doesn't have a lot of shimmers, but for the summer your cheeks will look very poreless, even though of course we all have pores, that doesn't matter, but it is very, very beautiful in my opinion. And then I have another one, this from Benefit. I have the shade Shellie, and this is a more peachy shade, sorry. It's absolutely beautiful as well. This one has a bit more shimmer, but it's not emphasizing texture or something like that. I love both of these. They are really, really good blushes. And then I want to mention a highlighter as well, because this one is so stunning on the cheeks, so I want to recommend it, even though it's very, very popular. It is the Tilbury Beauty Light Wand, and I have the shade Spotlight. And I will be very quick. This is beautiful on the cheeks, and it will shine like a dream in the sun, so it's really, really nice. So I want to mention it in here. Let's move into lips. And for lips, I have 3 types of products to recommend. The first one is if you want a long-lasting lipstick, but that is a hydrating and glossy one, I recommend this one. This is the Superstay Vinyl Ink by Maybelline. This is very popular. I have the shade Peppy in here, and for good reasons, because it is stunning. You need to shake it. If you can hear, it has something that is shaking the product in there, and you can apply a thin layer. It will wear really, really nice. I really appreciate this one. And then for the days where I don't have any eye makeup on, I usually have brows, and then something for the cheeks, and then a bold lip usually. And I have these 2 absolutely beautiful colors that I want to recommend, and this formula as well. This is the Smooth Whip by NYX, and this is so stunning. It's so comfortable, but still it is on the matte side. And these 2 colors are so, so beautiful. This brown is the first one that I bought, is the shade, where is the shade? Here. Memory Foam is the shade, and it's the most beautiful brown. It's so, so stunning. And then I bought the second one because I really love this one, and this is the shade Parfait, and this is the most wearable red. It's so, so beautiful. It's like a more nudish red. I don't know how to describe it, but it's not that very, very bright red. These are so stunning. I just apply a lip liner and put this on top, and my lips look amazing, and they are from the drugstore. And lastly, for lips, I want to recommend a gloss that has some shimmers in it, because in the summer we like glowy skin and some shimmers on the body, some shimmers on the eyes, so maybe for lips as well. I usually don't like shimmery glosses, but this one is so natural in a way. It's not that glittery, chunky kind of lip gloss. It is just a shine, and it's so beautiful. This is the Nimya in the shade She Said What. This is like a milkier gloss, but it has some shimmers in there. It's absolutely beautiful. It smells like a dream, and it's staying on the lips pretty good, so I really love this one. Let's mention quickly something for the eyes, because usually in the summer I don't do a lot of eyeshadows, and me saying that with this makeup on, it seems that I'm lying. I'm doing this type of makeup when I have a lot of time, but when I don't have a lot of time, usually I'm doing no eye makeup or one shadow type of look. And for that I have 2 products to mention. The first one is this E.L.F stick. I have the shade Copper Chic, and this is so easy to apply, it's so beautiful, and this is one of my favorites because the shade is so stunning. It's shimmery, glimmery, but you can blend it out into the crease and it will be absolutely beautiful. And as well, I like this formula because it is in a stick and you can apply this on the lower lash as well and in the waterline as well, and it is a beautiful shade for the waterline. Sometimes I'm using this one only for the waterline because it is so beautiful. And then I have something that is very shimmery. This is the KVD Dazzle stick. I have the shade Green Flash and I am wearing it today in here, as you can see, and it's so shimmery and sparkly. And the other shades that they have are a bit lighter or a bit on the more neutrally side, so if you want something a bit easier to blend into your skin tone rather than a green, they have that and they are so beautiful. I really like this formula. So let's end this video with some other products. I want to mention some SPF options because you can't go out without SPF, and these ones are really nice in my opinion. For the face, I want to recommend this one. This is the Severe SPF 50 Blur Sun Secure, and this is very nice on the face because it is a bit blurring, so you can apply this one and no makeup and it will look pretty nice on the face on its own. And this is my fourth tube of this or something like that. I really like it, and usually foundations are not peeling on top of it, and I really like it. And for the body, I want to recommend this one. This is the Vichy Solar Protective Water, and I have in here SPF 50. They have different options for that as well. I really love this one. It's so easy to apply. You just spray it on your body and then massage it into your skin, and it's so nice. And lastly, let's talk about two perfumes that are so appropriate for summer in my opinion. The first one is the Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro, and I'm gonna put a picture in here with the notes. This has pistachio, almond, and then some flower on the middle notes, and then the base notes are absolutely delicious: caramel, vanilla, salt, and sandalwood. It says in here on the bottle that is pistachio and salted caramel, which I really love. This smells delicious, and as well it is a body spray, so it is a bit lighter on the skin, something a bit more daytime appropriate and something for the summer, so I really love this one. And then I have another one that is a bit heavier but in the same ballpark because it has pistachio as well, and this is the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato, and I love this one so much. It's so sweet but so yummy. I'm gonna put the notes in here. This one is, like I said, a bit of a more complex perfume. It has pistachio, ice cream, bergamot, hazelnut, rum, and cardamom. The top notes are absolutely yummy. In the middle notes we have something floral and fruity, and that gives this perfume a bit of a refreshing layer. And then the base notes are whipped cream, marshmallow, cotton candy, a thing that I can't pronounce but I know that is a Turkish delight because I googled it, and then tonka bean, sandalwood, cheddar, and cacao. And from these whole notes I can smell very clearly the pistachio, the whipped cream, the marshmallow, and I do smell something a bit woody as well. And for a summer night, this is a dream, and you can have this one in the daytime and then this one at the nighttime because they are both pistachio scents and I think they are very nice. Okay, so this was everything. Please let me know what are your summer favorites, and as well if you are going somewhere on vacation. I am very curious about that and very excited for my vacation. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.